Hey there folks, today I'm going to be showing you how to easily and quickly repair your broken USB charging cable. Now on your smartphone, usually your cable breaks around the part that plugs right into the phone from overuse and bending constantly. So we're going to use a couple tools to fix this. First, I want to give a huge thanks and shout out to Hystronica for sending me these tools. They'll help out greatly for our little project here. First one is a mini heat gun, and this kit, I'll put a link in the description for it. It also comes with some heat shrink tubing and some solder sticks. We're not going to be using the solder sticks in this project. We'll use those in a different video. We're just going to use the shrink tubing. So first, we're going to get this gun plugged in, and then we'll show you how to fix it. All right, so to fix this iPhone charging cable, we're going to be using 1/4 inch 3:1 ratio heat shrink tubing. So as you can see, all of these in the kit are 3:1 shrink ratio, which means that the tube will shrink to 1/3 of its size. So 1/4 inch fits perfectly over, nice and snug over the top. The 3:1 ratio is a good fit for the cable, even on the small side. So we get it just a little bit from the top there. We plug in our gun. We're going to use the second setting, which is about 400 something degrees, and it has this little shield on it to concentrate the heat and make sure you're not burning anything. Also have the kickstand to set it down later, make sure we don't burn our surface. All right, so let's see how it does. All right, so as we can see, that shrinks very nicely. This little bump is just the imperfection of the cable where it's split. But if you look right there, maybe hard to see on the camera, that little clear spot, that is the adhesive, so that is waterproof as well. And we got that on both ends. It's a nice tight seal. We're just gonna wait for it to cool down. All right, so I've done a couple of my charging cables, and once everything is cooled down, they are very nice and stiff and rigid, nice and firm. The adhesive is a nice touch to make sure it's actually glued on there and sealed properly. So that's all there is to it, folks. Looks nice too, not too bad. Hopefully you found it helpful. Link in the description for the heat gun and the tubing. Thanks for watching. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.